Hello friends, welcome to this podcast show. I am Harry, a host of today's podcast. I will suggest your destination which helps you to score good marks on the OET exams. If you are an aspiring candidate to study abroad in Australia and Canada, you need to score well in OET exams. English Experts Adelaide offers wide varieties of OET courses, both classroom and online sessions. They prepare students to achieve the highest in OET in their first attempt. Their state-of-art templates change every month depending upon the latest upgrades in these exams. The trainers frequently take this test themselves to know the latest patterns and current changes. Avail free tools like Exam Portal and scored mock tests to prepare for their exams in their free time at home. Students have their own portal to download material and attempt practice tests online. Contact English Experts Adelaide. Browse https://englishexperts.com.au to learn more. That is all for today. I will be right back with another topic. Till then, stay tuned.